I am a dirt person, I trust the dirt. I don't trust diamonds and gold. The senses deceive from time to time, and it is the prudent never to trust wholly those who have deceived us even once. Honor bespeaks good, confidence begets trust, service brings satisfaction, cooperation proves the quality of leadership. Our neighborhoods are safer when there is trust between communities and the police, who are in charge of protecting them. I am a free spirit. I am very impulsive. I put the most trust in people chance after chance, regardless of how they treat me. Maybe if I really believe in me, trust me without any calculated plan, who knows what will happen. Don't trust everyone, especially if they say, trust me. We believe that transparency creates trust. Every sale has 5 basic obstacles: no need, no money, no hurry, no desire, no trust. Let every eye negotiate it for itself and trust no agent. As you enter positions of trust and power, dream a little before you think. Public trust is a vital condition for artificial intelligence to be used productively. All wars signify the failure of conflict resolution mechanism, and they need post-war rebuilding of faith, trust and confidence.